रोज बोले जाने वाले वाक्य। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। डेली यूज सेंटेंसेस। चलो आज एक नया खेल खेलें। लेट्स प्ले अ न्यू गेम टुडे। लेट्स प्ले अ न्यू गेम टुडे। हमने ब्रेक के दौरान 3 गेम खेले। We played 3 games of talk during the break. We played 3 games of talk during the break. बच्चे बाड़ के बीच से अंदर आ गए। The children came in through the gap in the fence. The children came in through the gap in the fence. रिक्त स्थान भरें। Fill in the gaps. Fill in the gaps. घर के पीछे एक गैराज है। There is a garage at the back of the house. There is a garage at the back of the house. कार गैराज में है। The car is at the garage. The car is at the garage. बगीचे में बहुत सारे फूल हैं। There are many flowers in the garden. There are many flowers in the garden. माली हमें वे फूल तोड़ने नहीं देता। The gardener does not let us pluck those flowers. The gardener does not let us pluck those flowers. किसी ने मूर्ति पर एक सुंदर माला डाल दी थी। Someone had put a lovely garland on the statue. Someone had put a lovely garland on the statue. लहसुन की गंध बहुत तेज होती है। Garlic has a strong smell. Garlic has a strong smell. हवा में कई अलग अलग गैसें होती हैं। Air contains many different gases. Air contains many different gases. वे हर दिन 8 बजे गेट बंद कर देते हैं। They close the gate at 8 every day. They close the gate at 8 every day. उसने बहुत सारे फूल इकट्ठे किए। She gathered lots of flowers. She gathered lots of flowers. टीवी की दुकान के पास बहुत से लोग इकट्ठे हो गए थे। Many people had gathered near the TV shop. Many people had gathered near the TV shop. सभी अभिभावक स्कूल सभा के लिए आए। All the parents came for the school gathering. All the parents came for the school gathering. उसकी माँ ने कोमल आवाज में कहा। Her mother spoke in a gentle voice. Her mother spoke in a gentle voice. एक सज्जन व्यक्ति सदैव दूसरों की मदद के लिए तैयार रहता है। A gentleman is always ready to help others. A gentleman is always ready to help others. उसने छोटे पक्षी को धीरे से उठा लिया। He picked up the small bird gently. He picked up the small bird gently. हमारी भूगोल की किताब में बहुत सारे नक्शे हैं। There are many maps in our geography book. There are many maps in our geography book. क्या आपको मेरा पत्र मिला? Did you get my letter? Did you get my letter? जल्दी से डॉक्टर को बुलाओ। Get the doctor quickly. Get the doctor quickly. मेरे लिए बाजार से कुछ सेब लाओ। Get me some apples from the market. Get me some apples from the market. हम स्कूल के लिए तैयार हो गए। We got ready for school. We got ready for school. समझ गया। Got it. Got it. शिक्षक ने सभी विद्यार्थियों से कक्षा साफ करने को कहा। The teacher got all the students to clean the classroom. The teacher got all the students to clean the classroom. हम चाय के समय पर घर पहुंच गए। We got home in time for tea. We got home in time for tea. उसे खांसी और जुकाम हो गया है। She has got a cough and cold. She has got a cough and cold. नीचे उतरो। Get down. Get down. अंदर आना। Get in. Get in. उतर जाओ। Get off. Get off. चले जाओ। Get out. Get out. वे अपने झगड़े खत्म कर लेते हैं। They get over their quarrels. They get over their quarrels. मैं आज 7 बजे उठ गया। I got up at 7 today. I got up at 7 today. मेरी बहन कहती है कि वहाँ कोई भूत नहीं है। My sister says there are no ghosts. My sister says there are no ghosts. वह विशालकाय व्यक्ति एक पेड़ जितना ऊंचा था। The giant was as tall as a tree. The giant was as tall as a tree. राजू मेले में एक विशाल पहिए पर बैठा। राजू sat in a giant wheel at the fair. राजू sat in a giant wheel at the fair. मुझे मेरे जन्मदिन पर बहुत सारे उपहार मिले। I got many gifts on my birthday. I got many gifts on my birthday. चाय में थोड़ा अदरक डालें। Put some ginger in the tea. Put some ginger in the tea. मैंने जिराफ पर एक टीवी कार्यक्रम देखा। I saw a TV program on giraffes. I saw a TV program on giraffes. इस साल हमारी कक्षा में एक नई लड़की आई है। This year, there is a new girl in our class. This year, there is a new girl in our class. मुझे वह डस्टर दे दो। Give me that duster. Give me that duster. उसने अपनी सारी किताबें पुस्तकालय को दे दी। He gave all his books to the library. He gave all his books to the library. डॉक्टर हमें दवा देता है। The doctor gives us medicine. The doctor gives us medicine. शिक्षक ने हमें अपना काम पूरा करने के लिए 3 दिन का समय दिया। The teacher gave us 3 days to complete our work. The teacher gave us 3 days to complete our work. इंद्रधनुष मुझे एक विचार देता है। The rainbow gives me an idea. The rainbow gives me an idea. नई मशीन बहुत परेशानी दे रही है। The new machine is giving a lot of trouble. The new machine is giving a lot of trouble. बच्चे ने हमें मुस्कुराकर देखा। The baby gave us a smile. The baby gave us a smile. मोमबत्तियां कोमल प्रकाश देती हैं। Candles give a soft light. Candles give a soft light. गाय दूध देती है। A cow gives milk. A cow gives milk. मुझे मेरी किताब वापस दे दो। Give me back my book. Give me back my book. बांट दे। Give out. Give out. मैं हार मानता हूँ। I give up. I give up. नीचे दिए गए शब्दों को कॉपी करें। Copy the words given below. Copy the words given below. हम आपसे मिलकर खुश हैं। We are glad to meet you. We are glad to meet you. उन्होंने अपने पौधों के लिए कांच की दीवारों और कांच की छत वाला एक ग्लास हाउस बनाया। He built a glass house with glass walls and a glass roof for his plants. He built a glass house with glass walls and a glass roof for his plants. इन गिलासों को मेज पर रखें और प्रत्येक गिलास में थोड़ा पानी डालें। Put these glasses on the table and pour some water in each glass. Put these glasses on the table and pour some water in each glass. उसने 2 गिलास दूध पिया। He drank 2 glasses of milk. He drank 2 glasses of milk. मेरे दादाजी चश्मा पहनते हैं। My grandfather wears glasses. My grandfather wears glasses. परी ने मछली की चांदी जैसी चमक देखी। The fairy watched the fish's silver gleam. The fairy watched the fish's silver gleam. जुगनू अंधेरे में चमकते हैं। Fireflies glow in the dark. Fireflies glow in the dark. अपनी नोटबुक में चित्रों को चिपकाने के लिए गोंद का उपयोग करें। Use glue to paste the pictures in your notebook. Use glue to paste the pictures in your notebook. बिल्ली के पास मत जाओ। Don't go near the cat. Don't go near the cat. वे सब घर चले गए। They all went home. They all went home. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, सफेद बादल? Where do you go, white clouds? Where do you go, white clouds? मेरा दांत दर्द खत्म हो गया है। My toothache is gone. My toothache is gone. मैं और मेरी माँ खरीदारी करने गए। My mother and I went shopping. My mother and I went shopping. यह सड़क मुंबई से नागपुर तक जाती है। This road goes from Mumbai to Nagpur. This road goes from Mumbai to Nagpur. वह पागल हो गया। He went mad. He went mad. घंटी बजती है, डिंग डोंग। The bell goes ding dong. The bell goes ding dong. 2 छोटे पैर टैप टैप करते हैं। Two little legs go tap tap. Two little legs go tap tap. आगे बढ़ो। Go ahead. Go ahead. वे पिकनिक के लिए गए। They went for a picnic. They went for a picnic. रोशनी जल गई। The lights went on. The lights went on. यह कुछ समय तक चलता रहा। This went on for some time. This went on for some time. मुख्य अतिथि काफी देर तक बोलते रहे। The chief guest went on for a long time. The chief guest went on for a long time. वे स्कूल जाते हैं। They go to school. They go to school. सोने जाओ। Go to bed. Go to bed. शौचालय जाएं। Go to the toilet. Go to the toilet. रेडियो बंद हो गया। The radio went off. The radio went off. हम आज शाम को बाहर जा रहे हैं। We are going out this evening. We are going out this evening. मोमबत्ती बुझ गई। The candle went out. The candle went out. बकरी को पत्ते खाना पसंद है। A goat likes to eat leaves. A goat likes to eat leaves. वह हर दिन भगवान से प्रार्थना करता है। He prays to God every day. He prays to God every day. वृक्ष देवता ढकी हो गए। The tree god became sad. The tree god became sad. मैं देवी बनना चाहती हूँ, मल्हार की पत्नी ने कहा। I want to be a goddess, said Malhar wife. I want to be a goddess, said Malhar wife. कुछ लोग धूप में चश्मा पहनते हैं। Some people wear goggles in the sun. Some people wear goggles in the sun.